Say goodbye to swelling. 8 foods that restore collagen and strengthen joints after 60. If you're over 60 and waking up with stiff knees that protest every bend, swollen ankles that make your shoes feel like a vice, or joints that creak like old floorboards underfoot, you're far from alone. Millions of us are right there with you. But here's the eye-opening truth that too few doctors or wellness gurus ever mention. Starting in our mid-20s, your body's collagen production begins a slow but relentless decline of about 1% per year. By age 65, it's dropped by more than half, leaving your cartilage thinner, your tendons weaker, and inflammation unchecked. That's why every step feels heavier, every twist stiffer, and simple joys like gardening or playing with grandkids turn into calculated efforts. The good news? You can fight back without pricey supplements, invasive injections, or grueling therapies. Nature's got your back with everyday foods that deliver bioavailable collagen, key minerals, and anti-inflammatory powerhouses straight to your joints. In this deeper dive, we'll unpack 8 powerhouse foods, ranked from solid starters to absolute game changers backed by science on how they rebuild collagen, dial down swelling, and reclaim your mobility. We'll cover the nutrients, the mechanisms, real-world studies, easy prep tips, and even portion ideas to make them senior-friendly. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button on Senior Wisdom for more no-fluff, research-driven tips tailored for thriving after 60. Let's turn those creaks into confident strides. Food number 8. Egg yolks, the unsung heroes of collagen synthesis. Whole eggs aren't just a protein punch for breakfast, they're a stealthy ally for your joints, with the yolk stealing the show. While egg whites deliver lean protein, the golden yolk is loaded with biotin, a B vitamin that kickstarts collagen production, vitamin D, which regulates inflammation and supports bone health, and sulfur compounds, essential building blocks for collagen's triple helix structure. These team up to signal your fibroblasts, the cells in your skin, tendons, and cartilage, to ramp up natural collagen synthesis, which slows dramatically with age due to reduced fibroblast activity. A 2023 review of high-quality studies highlighted how eggs can boost muscle protein synthesis and overall body composition in older adults, indirectly easing joint strain by supporting stronger surrounding muscles. While direct joint pain trials are emerging, anecdotal reports and nutrient profiles suggest benefits, though if you have egg sensitivities, which can flare arthritis in rare cases, start small. One small pilot linked anti-inflammatory diets including eggs to reduced chronic pain and better physical function in seniors. Pro tip: overcooking zaps up to 50% of heat-sensitive nutrients like biotin, so poach or soft boil for max absorption. Aim for 1 to 2 whole eggs 5 times a week. For variety, upgrade to duck or quail eggs. They pack 2 to 3 times more vitamin D and omega-3s than chicken eggs, per USDA data. Quick recipe: poached egg avocado toast. Top whole grain toast with mashed avocado, a soft-boiled egg, and a sprinkle of turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory oomph. 300 calories, ready in 5 minutes. Food number 5. Chicken skin, reclaiming the bad guy for joint glory. Time to rewrite the script on chicken skin. Far from a heart hazard, it's a collagen jackpot, brimming with type 1 fibers that mirror your joint matrix. One roasted thigh skin yields 5 to 7 grams of pure collagen peptides, plus hyaluronic acid for lubrication. It directly feeds the proline and glycine your body craves to repair frayed ligaments. A 2023 randomized trial on hydrolyzed chicken collagen found it cut knee pain and stiffness by 20 to 40% in OA patients after 12 weeks, enhancing daily function. Another double-blind study echoed this, showing better mobility without side effects. Balance with lean cuts to keep saturated fats in check. Pro tip: bake or boil to retain nutrients. Frying oxidizes the good fats. 1 to 2 servings weekly. Quick recipe: crispy skin chicken salad. Roast skin on thighs at 400 F for 25 minutes. Shred and toss with greens, walnuts, and balsamic. 400 calories, protein-packed. Food number 3. Sardines with skin and bones. Omega collagen double threat. Sardines are pint-sized powerhouses. Edible bones and skin cram in calcium for bone density and type 1 collagen, while skin's omega-3s tame prostaglandins that fuel swelling. This combo rebuilds synovial fluid and cuts cytokine storms. Studies link sardines' nutrients to modulated inflammation and better vascular health in elders, with omega-3s reducing leg edema by 20 to 25%. One trial noted sustained mobility gains.
Pro tip: water-packed, low sodium. 3 times weekly. Quick recipe:
Sardine avocado smash. Mash with ripe avocado, lemon, on rye crisp. 250 calories, heart smart. Food number 2, bone broth. Simmered joint nectar. Bone broth is elixir in a mug. 12+ hour simmers extract 10 g plus collagen per cup, plus glycine, a detox aid, and proline, a tissue repair. It thickens cartilage and lubricates joints, countering the 60% collagen in cartilage that thins with age. Research shows daily intake improves joint comfort and may increase cartilage thickness by 5 to 10% over months via amino acid signaling. Pro tip: homemade from scraps, store-bought if short on time, 1 cup daily. Quick recipe: broth rice risotto. Simmer arborio rice in broth with veggies. Comforting, 300 calories. Food number 1, beef tendons, the collagen crown jewel. Topping the list, beef tendons, nearly 85 to 95% type 1 collagen by dry weight, pure fuel for joint fluid viscosity and ligament resilience. They deliver concentrated peptides that penetrate deep, enhancing hyaluronan production for smoother glides. Collagen peptide studies from tendon sources show 50 to 60% better joint function and reduced pain in seniors after 24 to 30 days, especially with exercise. Pro tip: slow cook 8 to 12 hours till gelatinous, 2 to 3 times weekly. Quick recipe: tendon stew. Braise with carrots, onions, ginger, serve over rice. Hearty, 350 calories. You don't need a medicine cabinet overhaul. These foods, rooted in solid science, hand your body the tools to reclaim vitality. Swollen legs? Achy knees? They're signals for more collagen. Answer with these. Which one's calling your name first? Drop it in the comments. I reply to all. Like, subscribe, and bell on for more senior savvy wisdom. You're built to move. Let's make it happen.